Cell is the basic unit of life. Discuss in brief. Why do we call cell as a basic unit of life? So let us see. So when we look into an organism, we can see an individual. So inside this organism, there are different organ systems. So here, respiratory system is there, digestive system is there, circulatory system, likewise. There will be so many organ systems. So all the organ systems together form an organism. But what are these organ systems made of? So let us consider. So here is a digestive system. So what is this digestive system made of? What can we see here? So here is one organ, that is liver, stomach, small intestine, large intestine. So an organ system is made of many organs. If we take out one organ, what is organ further made of? So we can see here different layers. So all these layers are nothing but tissue. An organ system is made up of many types of tissues. So what are the tissues made of? Tissues, here we can see it's a tissue and there are so many minute repeating units. So these minute repeating units are nothing but cell. So cell is seen in a tissue. Tissue is composed of different types of cells. So when group of tissues forms an organ, do we find cells in an organ? Yes, cell is also present in an organ. So when group of organs forms an organ system, that means cell is also present in the organ system. When group of organ systems forms an organism, that means the entire organism is made up of cell. So cell is the structural unit. Now, cell is a structural unit, but this single cell can perform many activities. It can perform respiration, digestion, excretion, reproduction. All these activities are performed by the single cell. So we call cell as the functional unit. Cell is both structural unit as well as functional unit. So togetherly we call it as a basic unit of life. So if there is no cell, there is no life. To call any organism as a living organism, they should have only one requirement, that is, it should be made up of at least one cell. Then only we can call them as a living organism. So since cell forms structural unit and functional unit, we call it as a basic unit of living organism or basic unit of life.